Hi, I'm Felix from Detection, and this video will explain to you how to install your screen protector in the best possible way. Should there be any problems against all expectations, just get in touch with us. You'll receive a free and unconditional replacement.
In this video we show you how to install your Detection camera protection in the best possible way. The installation was done on an iPhone 11 Pro Max, but is of course also valid for all other models. First, clean your camera and the gaps with the enclosed alcohol wipe. Now use the microfiber cloth to dry the lenses and the space in between. In the last step, we apply the protection on the camera. Remove the camera protector from the backing, align it and position it perfectly on the camera. Now, use the microfiber cloth again to press your camera protector properly onto the lens. This is how easy it is to install your Detection camera protector.